Everybody wake up in the morning. Everybody's hungry, I know. It's breakfast time, let's go. Breakfast is a cooking in the kitchen. Pancakes, bacon, and ham. Butter toast and berry jam. Eggs fried sunny side up. Waffles baked with buttermilk. Yummy fruit salad. Coffee cake. Pancakes, bacon, and ham. Pancakes, bacon, and ham.